In 1989, Jerry Jones bought the Cowboys for $140 million. Today, they're valued at $12.8 billion. Now, that's over 36 years, so he's held the franchise for 36 years. This is an example of the power of compounding and the value of long-term investing. If people took the exact same approach in terms of buying stock with the intent of being long-term investors, people will have significantly better results over the long term. Behind every stock is a business, and the stock will always perform in a manner that's consistent with the way the business performs over time. So let me give you an example using the Cowboys. The Dallas Cowboys organization is the business. The Dallas Cowboys football team is the stock. Now, during this 36 years, he's won 3 Super Bowls. Those were at the beginning. But he's also had 11 losing seasons. So in the terms of stocks, a stock can go up and down. So losing season would be like a negative return year for a stock. And through all these ups and downs, the business, the franchise has continued to grow in value. So if you own a stock, if you own a business, the stock can go up and down. An example is I've owned Amazon for 9 years. I've owned Apple for 9 years. I've owned Google for 8 years. I've owned MasterCard for 8 years. So these are the companies that I've owned the longest. Amazon was down 50% in 2022. So even though the stock went down, the business has continued to perform. So over that time frame, the value of my investments, despite the fact that you might have some years when the stock goes down, but over time, the value of my investments have continued to grow. It'll be the same way if you think long-term as an investor. The best thing that makes great investors is patience. You have to have patience to deal with the short-term fluctuations of the market and understand that you're buying a business to own for the long term. If you can change your mindset to somebody who has to buy and sell stocks and recognize that all stocks are part of a business and that you're buying these businesses to own for a long period of time because of their ability to compound and add value and build wealth for you and your family, you'll be a lot better as an investor. Now, another example would be like they just traded Micah Parsons. If a company misses earnings, sometimes the stock can go down 5, 10, 15, 20% in a day. So if the Cowboys the football team was a stock, they might go down 15 to 20% in a day just from trading Micah Parsons, or even 25%. But the value of the business continues to grow because the NFL continues to grow. It's the same way with your holdings. If you own good businesses, you don't have to do all this maneuvering around. Just own the business and allow your money to work for you. The only thing you can do is screw it up by trying to trade stocks and mess it up and stuff. Just own great businesses, allow them to compound, and you too can build wealth over a long period of time. This change in the franchise's value didn't happen in 2 years or 3 years. This is over a 36-year period. So own great businesses for the long run. Be a long-term investor. Think long-term and allow your money to work for you. All right? Have a great day. Go Raiders.